Hi Aries, welcome back. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. And Aries, if you are a cross watcher for Leo reading, from next week I will not be giving the Leo reading here. I will be doing the Leo daily reading in my other channel. And I'll be sharing that channel's link in the description so you can watch that reading there. So, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. Aries, you can watch that reading. And Aries, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here. It's Page of Wands, Page of Cups, and Nine of Swords in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, in your work or in your relationship, you have something on your mind, something is not right, you are worried, you are trying your best to change your situation, you are working hard, making great efforts, and you have some kind of fear, anxiety about your future, something worrying you in this relationship. It may be some decisions this person is making, or you are worried that they will leave you or they will make a choice. You are not so happy about what they are choosing. So, something is bothering you, making you very anxious. But Aries, with these cards, I feel you should not worry about this person whether they will leave you or not, because they are devoted like you, they are honest, they are trustworthy, and this person is someone good. And maybe in your circumstance today, if you have someone who is working against you, maybe a rival, in your relationship, it may be someone, it may be a friend of your person, and someone who may pose a serious threat to this relationship. Maybe this person loves you, but they are having a friendly relationship with this person. So you are worried that this person may leave you and make choose that other person. But you need to understand that whatever your worries may be, your worries are not going to come true. This person loves you deeply and they will choose you every time. So, if they have a choice if they have a choice of choosing between you both, they will choose you always because they love you, Aries. So, this person has honest intentions towards you. You need not worry. And the fears you have or the anxieties you have about this love is not going to come true. So, you need not think of that situation. And also, there is something coming for you, a message or a news from this person you love. So this person loves you deeply, Aries. You need not worry. So we will see what is the Seven of Cups. So all your dreams and plans are going to come into reality. You have huge plans for this relationship. Whatever it is, all that is going to come true. And you need to work towards those dreams and goals, guys. Make those efforts. Maybe if you are thinking of marriage or commitment, you must propose to this person, or this can be their energy towards you. So whatever fears you have or your anxieties are changing, definitely, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. It's Chariot in reverse. So in your work circumstances, some changes are coming for you. And whatever troubles you are seeing today, all that is changing. Circumstances are definitely changing for you guys. So good changes, a positive turn of events is what I see for y'all. So that is the reading with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. And stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card here. So for those who chose this card, it says the Nixie of Mill Pond, memory. So in your circumstances, you are trying to avoid something. It may be a person or a circumstance. You are trying to avoid some emotional situation. And maybe you are trying to control your feelings for someone or something and you are unable to control that. You are unable to have that complete control over your feelings. But it is necessary to understand that it is better you face this circumstance, whatever you are trying to avoid. Because if you face that situation, you will be freed of all that fear and anxiety that you have. And by facing this circumstance, it is going to bring great changes in your heart. It may bring lasting changes in you and it will have a great impact on you and you will be tested. But when you face your emotions you have been avoiding, it is going to bring that end of sorrow and it is going to bring joy. Maybe you have some fears to face a person or a circumstance, but it is better to face it, guys, right now, because it is going to relieve you of all the stress and anxiety and you will realize the people who are true to you, your true soul family. So you will have a better understanding if you are able to what to say, give up your fears and face what needs to be faced today. And you are avoiding a connection. Someone is here and you are avoiding some kind of an emotional connection, and this may be the time for you to rethink about your decisions, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So we will see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it's Rose Quartz. So it's a crystal spirits card, and the guidance with this card is that maybe we often forget how amazing we are. So, this is the time for us to remember our true beauty, our true worth. And this crystal spirit is here to remind us of our soul's worth. So, are you comparing yourself with others and convincing yourself that you are not good enough, or you have to work hard, you have to do much better to deserve what you want for yourself? So, this is not the time for that, and it is wrong. Comparing yourself is wrong, and you must let go of this mentality of comparison. So, comparing yourself to someone should be done when you want to match their inner strengths with yours, so that you will amplify your experience with more love and prosperity. So you must go for that inner change, and you should not uh, compare yourself to feel that you are not worthy enough and you are not up to the mark, up to your expectations. And this is the time for you to connect with people who see that you have beautiful attributes, who see your inner beauty. So you must remember those times where you felt very confident, smart, playful, and strong, and whatever qualities you have within you. You must understand that you have everything you need right within you to desire what you truly want in life. And you will see that if you have that understanding, you will see that in this relationship you will be reflecting all those beautiful attributes, and you are worthy to desire whatever you wish for yourself today, guys. So that is the energy here. And this crystal, it suggests self love. So we must love ourselves first in order to love others. So that is the core message here. So you must, try to understand your true worth. That is going to help you in all your relationships. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.